I don't know if you're like me, but when I'm out on the trails, one thing I have to have is my cell phone. Capturing videos, taking pictures, or running maps. And I have to have it charged at all times. Thumper Fab, wireless phone mount. No wires. No wires at all, so you're not gonna have to worry about somebody getting in and stepping on it and breaking your charging port, anything like that. Very simple to just pop your phone in there, wireless charged, and you're ready to hit the trails. So always stay charged while you're in your Ranger 1500 with the Thumper Fab wireless phone charger. Find it on the website, thumperfab.com. Find a dealer near you, and I'll catch you on the trails.